Windows play a crucial role in home security, acting as both an entry point for natural light and potential access for intruders. In Washington, where homeowners face diverse weather conditions and urban security concerns, proper window installation is essential. High-quality windows and professional installation provide both security and peace of mind. Understanding the role of windows in home security and the importance of expert installation can help homeowners make informed decisions to protect their families and property. Why windows matter for home security? Windows are among the most vulnerable parts of a home. They provide visibility and ventilation, but without proper reinforcement, they can also be a weak spot for break-ins. According to crime statistics, burglars often target windows, especially those that are poorly installed or have outdated locking mechanisms. Investing in secure windows and professional installation can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized entry. The importance of high-quality windows. Choosing the right type of windows for home security is crucial. Some of the best window options for enhanced security in Washington include impact-resistant glass. This type of glass is designed to withstand forced entry attempts. Laminated glass, for instance, consists of multiple layers that make it harder to break. Double or triple pane windows. These offer enhanced insulation and are more difficult to shatter than single pane windows. Reinforced window frames. Durable materials like aluminum, fiberglass, and vinyl enhance structural integrity and reduce the likelihood of forced entry. Smart locking mechanisms. Modern windows come with multi-point locks, key locks, or smart locks that improve security. Why professional window installation is essential. Even the most secure windows are only as good as their installation. Poorly installed windows can have gaps, weak frames, or improper sealing, making them easy targets for break-ins. Here's how professional installation enhances home security. Ensuring a tight fit. Professional installers measure and fit windows precisely, eliminating gaps that intruders could exploit. A secure fit also prevents drafts and energy loss, making homes more comfortable and efficient. Proper lock and frame reinforcement. Professionals ensure that locks are installed correctly and function optimally. They also reinforce window frames to withstand potential break-in attempts, ensuring that windows remain secure even under pressure. Enhanced weather resistance. Washington's climate includes rain, wind, and occasional storms. Properly installed windows protect against weather-related damage, preventing leaks, mold growth, and structural weakening that could make windows more susceptible to forced entry. Compliance with local building code. Experienced window installers are familiar with Washington's building codes and security regulations. They ensure that windows meet required safety standards, providing an extra layer of protection for homeowners. Additional security features for windows. To further enhance home security, homeowners can invest in additional protective measures, such as window sensors. These alarm systems detect when a window is opened or broken, alerting homeowners to potential intrusions. Security film. A layer of protective film can make glass harder to break and prevent shattering on impact. Window bars or grills. While not always aesthetically pleasing, these add an extra layer of defense for ground level or basement windows. Outdoor lighting. Well-lit exteriors discourage burglars from attempting to break in through windows. Energy efficiency and security go hand in hand. Beyond security, professional window installation enhances energy efficiency. Properly installed, insulated windows reduce heat loss in winter and keep homes cool in summer, lowering energy bills. Secure, energy-efficient windows contribute to a home's overall value and comfort. Conclusion. Windows are a critical aspect of home security, especially in Washington, where weather and urban safety concerns demand durable and properly installed solutions. Investing in high-quality windows and professional installation provides long-term protection, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. Homeowners who prioritize secure window solutions can enjoy a safer, more comfortable living environment for years to come.